Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is, of course, from Linksys.com. This is the Linksys WRT32X AC3200 dual band Wi-Fi gaming router with killer prioritization engine built inside. This is a super great hub for all your gaming needs when it comes down to it. It's got the first router that is purpose-built to prioritize gaming. It's got custom gaming firmware and user interface with a custom-built interface and firmware for gaming traffic control. A 1.8 gigahertz dual-core central processing unit, and it promotes simultaneously high-speed data processing. 4 high-performance antennas come with it to ensure optimal coverage and maximum signal strength, even in large multi-story buildings. Built exclusively, this is really all about gaming and how they put this together for a high-performance gaming router. And it works with the killer-enabled PCs from brands such as Alienware, Gigabyte, MSI, and Razer to reduce peak ping times by up to 77% and deliver smooth, lag-free gaming. Pretty darn amazing. So this can really help in your MOBAs, your shooters, and other games where a single millisecond can mean victory or defeat. You can use them with all those different things. Lowering the peak ping by up to 77%, that's pretty darn good. It makes a huge difference. With the killer options on, it's 17 milliseconds. With it off, it's 74. So it definitely makes a huge amount of difference. The firmware that's custom built boosts performance, ultra fast Wi-Fi, of course, up to 3.2 gigabytes per second to give you the top of your game when you play. And wow, it's got a powerful interface for ultimate control of Wi-Fi traffic. You can go into the dashboard and do all sorts of great stuff. It's got MIMO, which means it can spread around to your different devices and, of course, help with giving all your multiple devices priority, things of that nature. And best of all, you can always auto upgrade this over the internet. And it's got pro-grade Gigabyte Ethernet connectivity where you can connect consoles, 4K TVs, additional switches, ultra-fast Esata port, and USB 3.0 port for connecting hard drives or USB memory sticks. Pretty darn brilliant. Go to Linksys.com, and I got to tell you, we tested it out. We loved it. It rock and rolls. This is great for gaming, especially if you own the killer line of products that you can utilize to get your gaming to rock and roll. Check it out, Linksys WRT32X AC3200 dual band Wi-Fi gaming router with killer prioritization engine. Thanks for tuning in.